All right, how you guys doing? We just wrapped up a really nice webinar, and we do the webinars every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. They usually run right around 1 hour. I record them and I put them on my YouTube channel. I'll provide a link. I'll maybe show you on the screen how you can get those recorded webinars, or of course, I'll put a link right below this video, okay? But I like webinars, especially 3 times a week from our founder, Charles Moy. Okay, and a couple other, I guess you'd say, leaders of the company. They get on and talk about what materials and what products and certain ways that you can promote Save Club as a savings club where you pay your $19.97 a month, or go ahead and do the $60 and become an affiliate, because then you're a member and an affiliate. You're going to earn and you're going to save. How's that sound? I can maybe buy a KISS t-shirt, and I know I can because I've already looked it up. Okay, let me go ahead and show you something that just debuted. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put this link. I just highlighted it. It's save-club-merch.printify.me. Now, that's a pain in the ass link, as you know, but I will put this link below the video, or if I post on social media, I'll just put the link so you can click it. Now, what it is, I think it's pretty obvious. You can buy Save Club coffee mugs. How about a water bottle? I'm digging these basketball shorts. I think they look like undies. They look like underwear. All right, let's scroll down. Look, more coffee cups. I think I like this one the best. Or maybe this one. I don't know. They're even affordable. Look at that shirt. Holy crap. It's gaudy, it's ugly, and of course I'll buy it. So I can put it featured on my, what, 51? Okay, I take that back. No, I'm not paying $51 for that shirt, but I will pay 17 for the hat. And I like it. There's a lot of different colors too. I like the red. I like bright colors. So I think, let's see, as far as brand new Save Club merchandise, yeah, you know what? I think I'm going to go ahead and get this cup, either this one or this one, all right, or mug. I'm going to definitely get the hat, baseball cap. I love them. All right, and look at that. There's some shirts. And what Charles, our founder, said is he's not marking up trying to make buku bucks off this website, okay? It's Printify. You can get your own company to, do a lot of cool stuff too. But as far as just merchandise, yeah, you can get some. How about a shirt? You can even get different colors. You can get white or black. And the tank tops are nice. It's summertime right now. We're going into July in about a week. And here in Utah where I'm at, it's 90 to 100 degrees. So I think I'm going to order me one Save Club tank top. And I'm going to get myself a t-shirt. I definitely got to get a hat. And I think I'm going to get a coffee mug. Okay? And remember, I'm going to put this link right below this video, or if I post anywhere, social media, Facebook, I'm going to just put that link, because what a pain in the ass. There's no way you're going to remember save-club-merch.printify.me. All right. But I'm digging it. And look, you can get different colors too. You can get a black hat. That looks pretty cool. How about, I don't know, is that kind of a mauve? I guess they call it khaki. And white's always good. I like white hats, but they get dirty every time I go like this or rub my eyes or pick my nose. I always have boogers or some type of dirt on my white hat. So if I get a white hat, I'll probably have to get 2 of them. But I think I'm digging the red one. I think I'm going to rock out with that red one, okay? So we have new merchandise. That's what we learned from this pretty cool webinar. And I'm going to put a link to that webinar as well. It was about 1 hour and 7 minutes this time. And Charles and a few other guys with Save Club, they just talked about what's coming up in the future of Save Club. Well, we already have like 5 or 6 capture pages. They're basically funnels. And most funnels you pay anywhere from 10, 20. There's even like click funnels. I think they're, God, aren't they $100 to $200 per month? Well, when you join as an affiliate, it's built in. We have an unbelievable amount of pictures and videos, well over 1,000. And I don't want to say for free, because you do have to pay the $60. But after you become an affiliate, pay the $320s. $60, you have a website. You have all these capture pages where all you do is get a link and invite people to it. People watch a video and they decide, hey, do I want to join Save Club just to save money? Do I want to be an affiliate and earn money too? Or do I want to just wipe my butt with Save Club and go on my way? There's 3 choices. Okay? And I'll tell you, the funnel systems are just amazing. I've signed up 104 people already. all right, in just a little over a month. And I think I'm going to sign up another 30 to 50 people, from June to July. And all I do is keep things simple. I like to invite you to a link. And if you sign up in my group as an affiliate, I'm going to encourage you and just beg you, please just do what I do. It seems to work. We have really badass teams. 2, they're invite only. You're going to have access to just a lot of great pictures and video. Yes, video. You don't have to do what I'm doing, but if you want to try to do the old thing where you're talking to a webcam, or how about your cell phone? You guys comfortable just doing a selfie? Do a little video where you just, talk for 30 seconds. Hey guys, there's a new savings club. Check it out. I think you're going to like it. Save money and earn money. All right. And in my case, joinsaveclub.org. That's my link. I invite everyone to that link. And people, like I said, they're either like, no, I'm not into the Save Club thing, or I'm going to wait. I want to get more information, or screw it. I'm going to go ahead and just join, because you get an email from Save Club. And what's nice, they have their own built-in autoresponder. I can't stand autoresponders. I don't know anyone that does, but you have to learn how to write emails. Some short, some long, some interesting, some funny, but you have to try to not be too offensive and say, hey, I'm broke and desperate. Will you join? I need money. So join Save Club today. Emailing people, it can be it's like almost an art form, because some people get their emails opened and some people get 99.9% of their emails deleted. But isn't it nice to know that if someone comes to me, like if you fill out your information, like your name, you can put your cell number, you can go ahead and put your email, but Save Club and AI, they go ahead and take over and they will email you. They'll even call you. You can even talk to the AI. That's how advanced it is. Almost July of 2025. Everyone knows about the artificial intelligence. All right. It's here to stay, and you might as well embrace it. And you don't have to learn how to do it because it's built into that $60. Once you're an affiliate and get your website and capture pages and funnel pages, I'm going to give you so many pictures and videos that you can sit for weeks and weeks and weeks for a couple hours a day and not run out. And besides, every Monday, we have fresh videos and pictures that we upload in a folder, and you can just click and download them on your phone or your laptop or your computer. You own those darn things. You paid the $60. We're just going to hold up out a tray and go, would you like these hundreds and hundreds of pictures? Would you like these hundreds and hundreds of videos? Post them anywhere you'd like. Just make sure that you encourage people to click your personal link. And that's it. Let the videos and everything else take over. The less you explain about Save Club, the more, I think, successful you're going to be. All right, so let me end my video. I'm going to show you the link that I like to use. And it's pretty darn simple. It's just spelled out in the domain name, joinsaveclub.org. That's the official way to join. If you got that $60, please invest it. The $19.97 brings your total to $79.97. If you want to join for the year, you move up to VIP status and you make bigger commissions. But it's up to you. Just take your time. Join according to budget. But I would say hurry and join, because as of today, we're 23 days old. We kicked this off June 1st of 2025. Well, today is the 23rd. So in 23 days, we have thousands of people joining a day, but we hardly have any affiliates. So if you want to be an affiliate, hurry and join. Let's get you training, how-to videos, tons of material, and let's get you kicking some butt. Serious. We're going to build big downlines, big groups, and we're going to do it now because we're only 23 days old. No one knows about Save Club yet. This is a worldwide savings club, and it's also an affiliate club too. And we're going to go to every single city, state, and country on planet Earth. Just give us time. We're only 23 days old, okay? joinsaveclub.org. Please click that. You're going to go to this page right here. I want you to watch this little video too. You can meet Charles. He's our founder. Fill this information out, hit that orange button, and yeah, you're going to go ahead and receive a nice email. And if you'd like to join, just follow the instructions, okay? Guys, thanks. I'm coming up on 10 minutes, and I hope you rock and roll all night and party every day, just like my KISS t-shirt, okay? If you have any questions, get a hold of me, Cory at CoryDraper.com. That is my email address, and I hope you join. Come aboard. Let's have some fun, earn some money, save some money too. And I'm going to go ahead and give you the peace sign. All right. Okay. We'll talk to you guys next video. Take care. Bye.